Alright guys, so it is 11:24 p.m. on Tuesday, October 23rd, 2018. And here's the Maytag for the window, but I don't think I can get a casement window air conditioner for my window, which is a sliding one. I could just use this one as a backup. This is a aka Frigidaire. So after I actually serviced this in my other video, but I haven't even uploaded the video yet. But after I service this, I haven't even made a first start out of it. So let's make a first start out of it. I just already put the fan switch in the middle, so let's turn on the compressor. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, definitely cold air blowing out of this. Oh jeez, it's too cold. On this side. Maytag. So yeah, I'm not pretty sure if that Maytag over there is getting replaced, but yep, I can just use that one as my backup air conditioner. So I guess over and out. Now let's do a shutdown of this first. Then I have to disconnect the plug just to save money. Alright. So, thank you guys for watching.